Very, very.
I will end my part shortly. Okay, today I would like to practice the second treasure. The second treasure is the divine mantra. The divine mantra is the true worthy mantra. It is the secret mantra of heaven, and it cannot be found in books or writing. It has to be transmitted by an enlightened master. You can only recite the mantra in your heart. Many people are not aware of the divine mantra, but it's not a new idea. The concept goes back at least 2,500 years. The Taoism tells us that the Tao that can be spoken is not the internal thought. Similarly, when the Shakyamuni Buddha wanted to catch his true teaching, he chose to do so without words. He specifically told his disciples that this transmission of the spiritual essence, which is totally apart from written scripture. Instead, it would pass directly from one heart to another. Just like the enlightened master transmitted thought and the divine mantra to you verbally, and you receive it by repeating and memorizing it in your heart. Can you remember the 5 words of the divine mantra? The 5 words is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And please repeat after me again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you may wonder what are the meanings of these 5 words. The first word represents the heavenly word. It is not many. It is the quintessential set of thought. And the second word represents the key word. It is thought and emotion. It gives rise to in and out. And the third word represents the earthly world. This is the world we are living, where all existence of shown can be seen, heard, or felt. They are transient and reliable to change. The state of earthly world is characterized by temporality and equilibrium, including human, animals, and vegetation. Next word represents the Maitreya Buddha in in mercy and compassion. Mercy represents from healing and compassion to eradicate suffering. We are to follow Maitreya Buddha as role model in cultivation. His knowledge and his values show his great capacity in embracing all good and bad things, tolerance and acceptance. And this treasure can be used when we are in very dangerous situations. You mentioned the divine mantra in your mouth without thought, and for the holy insight. Immediately you will be touched by Buddha and get out of the dangerous state. If we cultivate ourselves sincerely, certainly we will be under the refuge of Buddha. We can use the divine mantra to encounter challenges in life. Perhaps you see obstacle that is too difficult to overcome. Perhaps there is a temptation that is too strong to resist many difficult situations. And
Okay. Thank you very much.